Good morning, y'all. We made it to Richmond. We are here at the RVA Black Farmers Market and we're currently setting up. It was like an hour and 50-minute drive. Got through it. Been up since 6 o'clock this morning. It's 10:09. We'll probably be getting back home about 7:30, just like including the drive, and you know we got to eat and stuff. We do have 2 events going on today. First, we're at the farmers market, and then we have our second event after that. Oh, we're gonna be facing that way. Yeah, I only put that back there so my feet don't be in the grass. The table thing with my logo on it. Because the other event starts at... I gotta leave here at 1 o'clock to go to the other event. So I'm probably gonna send y'all the lift once and over so y'all can come to the other event. And that's gonna be indoors. This ends at 3. When we had Tahir, it was enough that we could like split up. 2 people stay at one, you know. But now it's not enough to do that. But yeah, I'm gonna be here till 1 o'clock. It's 10. Y'all just gonna be here for like an extra 2 hours. Sounds good. And then we'll go out there. If I don't get hungry before then, but hopefully they got something like small I can eat while we're here. Then we'll go out to eat before we, after the other event, we'll go out to eat, then we'll go home. We get the oils and stuff out. Do I want what?
The pillowcase.
Yeah, that's fine. You see them? Oh, it's behind the But how you gonna get the wagon across there? Oh, that's right. She just like me with all my Lidl and Aldi bags. You got the keys, BJ? Where's the keys over there? You can just wait till you come back with the weight. Really pretty though.
Yeah, thank you.
They got twists going on.
So how long after they started using?
So this is 1 year. This is 1 month. This is 1 month and a half. Wow. Yep. And then I have more testimonials too that I haven't printed just yet, but I'm gonna be printing them eventually.
Oh, okay.
Yep.
Yeah, we'll get one of the I think the Jamaican one.
Okay.
Is this all you have? Is just these 2?
No, I have
oh, you got more?
Yep. So I got a total of 5.
Okay. Yep. All right. Well, I'm next to you, so I keep the eye out.
Okay. Thank you.
Thank you.
What's going on over here? You got sea moss?
Yeah, we got sea moss. We got samples too.
Okay.
We got strawberry today, peach, mango, and pineapple.
Okay, so what do y'all usually? I would like to sample as soon as I come back from getting some hydration.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we have organic wellness products. This over here is the plant-based nutrition.
Okay.
This is moringa supplements that I hand make. So it comes from the moringa tree. And it's good if you're vegan, vegetarian, or even if you do consume animals, but it's got packed with a lot of vitamins, minerals, calcium, protein, iron. And then we have lemon balm if you experience anxiety, or even occasionally insomnia, PMS symptoms.
Is that what this is?
Yeah, it's just.
Do you drink it? Okay.
Yeah. So that's good for that.
hair. I wouldn't put it in the dryer. I would hand wash it and let it air dry.
How you doing, man?
I'm good. How are you?
I love that hat.
Thank you. Probably the only thing protecting me right now.
Yeah, that's why I feel like mine's just protecting me too.
And we have blue and silver too. Yep, it's this color. Yes. Alright, y'all can turn it off. Look to the sky.
Yeah, that's the easiest way for me. Show her, turn around.
Yes, please. Can I get a picture of them? Y'all say cheese. Y'all gonna hug each other?
Like complete facing. Facing. And eat and smile, really pretty.
What's that?
Right. Say cheese, girl.
And look at her.
That's really cute.
Yes.
There you're part.
Okay, let me make sure I give you my card. So if y'all ever looking for more or mom needs her,
You'll be hot.
when mom needs her matching bonnet with the girls, come see us.
She want me to put it in. I really like. Did you make that yourself? The how you have?
No, I actually purchased this from somebody else. Yes, but if you DM me, I can see her Instagram. It's real knitters. Need a matching mommy bonnet, you know where to find me. I'll be here next month. Okay.
Oh, yeah, they was in Hampton Roads the other day. What is this we have here?
I have some spices,
Okay.
rubs, simple syrup. I'm sold out of rice right now.
Okay, what's simple syrup?
It's made. This one is made with lemon and ginger, and it's for sweetening drinks like tea, cocktails. You can use it to make lemonade.
Okay.
Yeah, and it's also great to use to make salad dressing as well.
Okay. Thank you. Hello.
We're on the other side of Yeah, it's like we're not local. We have to come to Richmond for markets. Yeah, because there isn't one in our town. It's pretty much just if it's anything that you see I'm growing up here, you can
Hi. Thank you. Good. How are you?
All right, how y'all doing?
Doing great. How are y'all?
Good, how are you?
All right.
Doing good.
I like that hat though.
Thank you.
All right.
Dang, if only we lived closer to home.
Talking about.
I can't afford to waste no produce. Hi, how you doing?
I like your hat.
Thank you.
I'm a project manager, I'm a time army, but I'm like, do I really have what it takes? And God, like, forget all that. Isaiah 40:16, like, I'm doing a new thing, you even beat it yet. So show it be yourself and I take care of the rest. So, and that's humbling at the same time, healthy confidence, not arrogant, but healthy confidence. Because I want to welcome anybody that's coming with me too. So thank you, love y'all.
That's what I'm at. I'm currently working with people that wants to listen to a child. It hit me one day sitting in a dinner with Shaka Khan, passing the salt.
Hey y'all. I just wanted to close out with y'all for the weekend, okay? We have had a successful weekend doing all of our pop-up shops. We've been booming, we've been selling products. Today has been great. Yesterday was great, the day before that was great. Thank you, God, for blessing my business, for providing me with a team. You see my cousin back there with his logo shirt on, my little brother. Like, they've been ride or die with me, and I really appreciate that a lot, y'all. It's been a good weekend. Put your finger up. But yeah, now we're about to get some food. We're gonna head home. I just want to let y'all know this is the end of the vlog. I'm sure we have had a total of about 50 customers this week. I think we had a total of about 50 customers this week, maybe. I don't know. Maybe I'm doing too much. I know this event that we just left wasn't that. We only got 2 sales. It, you know, it was kind of you know. But it was great information. I learned something. I learned a lot about black men. I learned about their needs and how they need support and uplifting as well. So everything happens for a reason, and you're always at the right place at the right time for the right thing. So enjoy your day, enjoy your life. Would you like to say something to the people?
Pieces and blessings.
I know, right? Pieces and blessings. All right, well, we're about to head out.
The definition of prosperity, people.
Okay.